Hey there, Matt here. I wanted to introduce you to our 2-ton forklift. Now, 2-ton forklift, perfect if you've got a little workshop or you've got something at home and you want to just move a few things around, you're maybe not using it all the time and you don't need massive reach, right? So let me explain the difference between this and the other models. This is basically an entry model. It's very, very well priced. You've got your lights on there, you've got your mirrors. On the forks wise, you don't have the adjustable forks like, for example, the premium packages, right? You do have Sideshift, and you've got a 2-stage mask, so you can actually get inside containers, unload containers because it's a container mask, but it only goes up to 3 meters. As far as the overall operation on the machine and understanding the machine, you've got your grease nipples so you can keep everything nice and greased and taken care of. You can see the quality, the way it's built, the chains, the rollers, everything's all there, super well put together. As far as the controls, etc., if you're coming a little bit closer, you see all your controls here. You've also got your oil temperature, water temperature. I'll just jump in there and fire it up quickly, right? And remember, I'm 6'4", so I'm just jumping in here quite easily. The latch is not down, but perfect, well-priced machine. You see, obviously up and down, your tilt, and then also your side shift. So you manually adjust the forks, but you understand how to use the forklift. So the purpose of the video is to show you the forklift, not to use the forklift. So nevertheless, right, I'll just jump out of here. Engine wise, your 4-cylinder diesel, your battery's super easy to access. As far as checking the oil, super easy to access. If you ever have a problem in the future, alternator, pretty easy to access. Diesel, very, very low maintenance. If you ever have a problem injector pump, easy to access. Your air filter, easy to access. Radiator cap, easy to access. Everything's super easy to access, super easy to operate. These engines, they make about 600,000 of them a year, massively publicly listed company. So they're definitely good engines. Hydraulic tank, you can see it right there. Put it down. Oops, there you go, locks it in. Your seat armrest, so if you're driving all day, you got your flashing light. If you've got height issues, you can move the flashing light around, put it up the top, hang it on the side. You've also got your, if you swing around here a bit, you've also got your rear lights as well. Spotlight on the rear. Obviously the counterweight that everyone seems to scratch, a little, I guess you'd call that a little toe point, right? So if you're interested in one of these, swing back around here. If you're interested in one of these, pretty straightforward. You can give us a call on 1300 number below. You can drop us an email. Email address is below, or you can go to forkliftking.com.au/step 3. If you need finance, we can put in direct contact with the finance broker. If you're just paying for it, you can just pay for it. Very good value forklift. Easy, get it delivered straight to you, and yeah, we're good to go. So if you're interested, reach out and happily help you with your new 2-ton forklift.